yung adobo ko, piniprito ko muna. Then, tsaka ko ihalo yung sibuyas, tsaka bawang. Tikman mo nga, anong lasa? Ha?
The best. Kulang na lang ay kanin.
Sige nga. Sarap? Okay, sabi ko sa inyo eh. Diba, sabi ko sa inyo, walang tikim-tikim.
6 years, yeah. Guys, first time kong mag-shoot ng video dito sa Action for nighttime. Nighttime. So I don't know if clear kasi may ilaw. Kaya pag sobrang dilim ganito, okay, mas malinaw na siya. Pero wala akong gamit na mic today dahil nag-order pa ako ng sa receiver ng mic ng Action 4. Pwede rin siya sa Action 5. And then I hope na clear yung aking boses today. Sana. Ayusin ko lang. Yeah, I hope clear yung aking boses. Maliwanag, malinaw sa inyo. Pero pag meron akong receiver ng mic, mas malinaw. So ang ginagamit ko na ngayon ay Action 4. Wala na akong GoPro. Tinago ko na lahat ng aking GoPro today. Kanina pagkatapos ko ng vlog, kasi hindi ko na siya gagamitin as of now. I'm done with the GoPro. So lahat ay DJI na yung aking gagamitin sa aking mga content. So ngayon ay susunduin namin ang kanyang mama. Yeah, we're gonna drop some McDonald's on me. Para alas 6 kasi yung off ng mama niya. Then mamaya i-twist ko tong camera sa front kung maganda din ba ang kanyang tawag doon, resolution sa gabi, yung captured niya sa gabi. You miss McDonald's? Yeah?
Why didn't we go to McDonald's?
Yeah, no, McDonald's is here. There's McDonald's there sa Bago Kakanan. Kasi ang GoPro, kailangan mo ng ilaw pag nagano ka ng video para kita-kita. Tsaka sobrang dilim. Ako lang parang init ba dyan, babe? Ba't parang wala init? Okay ka lang dyan? Let me know kung crispy yung tone ng boses ko kahit walang mic. What happened to you, bro? Meron ang init. Which one?
4 years old when it was 2022. I was probably 4 years old.
That year?
Yeah, because 5, 6, 7 after that.
Oh. Do you still remember?
No,
You still remember, right?
I don't even remember when we went to that.
So itong ginagamit ko ngayon ay super wide and meron siyang super wide, meron siyang wide, and pinag-aaralan ko pa alin ang suit doon sa aking tracking plug. Nakalimutan ko palang dalhin yung Viewfu na dashcam para matisting sana ngayong gabi. Okay. Car is turning right, left. I'm hungry, babe. Okay. McDonald's. What do you want?
Burger.
Double cheeseburger?
No, I want the Grinch meal.
Huh?
Grinch meal.
Milk?
No, the Grinch meal.
Grinch meal?
Yeah.
Where's the Grinch meal here?
There.
Which one?
They're there. The Grinch meal.
Which one?
There.
Oh, the Grinch meal?
Yeah. But I want.
Hi there, are you collecting points?
No, I'm not collecting points.
I'll play it for you.
Can you give me a Grinch meal?
Grinch meal, which one?
Which one, babe?
That.
We have a Big Mac, McChicken, 10-piece, or McVeggie.
Oh, the Big Mac, please. Only ketchup.
Big Mac, only ketchup? Okay, what's the drink for that?
Fries.
That's included with the fries, right?
It'll come with the fries because we don't have the hash bites.
Oh yeah, fries and a Coke.
Okay,
And can you give me also a Big Mac meal?
Big Mac meal, okay?
Yeah, and one just a burger, Mac chicken. A Mac chicken. Yeah.
Okay, so you want a regular Big Mac? You want a McChicken on the side?
No. Just a Big Mac meal and then additional one Big Mac chicken. What is that? Where is
So
that?
you just want the McChicken or do you want it a meal?
No, not a meal for.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, just Big Mac meal, Grinch
Yes,
meal,
I got it, yeah.
and one just the burger.
You can probably touch the window, thank you.
Okay. Intindihan din naman ako eh. Close na ba? Kaya kong mag-drive-thru. Mahirap magpaliwanag. Hello there. Hi, how are you? Can't complain. Have a good night. Can't complain agad, guys. Oh, nakalimutan kong ano.
So, after you drink, do you mind parking next window? And I'll bring your to you. There you go. Here's your seat.
Thank you. Big Mac, this is mine. Hey there.
I can't hear you. Oh, wait there.
Hello.
Where's the Grinch meal?
The Grinch, can I
One. Where is that? Where's the Grinch meal?
Wait, so you had the Big Mac Grinch meal with the Grinch sauces.
I order a Big Mac Grinch meal, only ketchup, and one Big Mac meal. There's another one Coke. I need one Coke, and then one additional chicken. This one. This is correct.
Okay.
So where's the Coke?
What are you missing?
Missing one Coke and the Grinch meal, only ketchup.
Okay. It's missing a Coke and a Grinch meal.
Yeah, because this one is got only the Big Mac
So
here.
you
This,
want the Big Mac with only ketchup?
yeah, the Grinch meal, right? Only ketchup.
Okay. Yeah.
Kailangan mo talaga silang ano yun eh.
Do you need that Big Mac or do you still want to keep it?
I ordered a Big Mac meal. I ordered a Big Mac meal for me. Okay? And I ordered the Grinch meal, only ketchup. The Grinch meal, only ketchup.
So you ordered 2 Big Macs.
Yeah, only ketchup. The other one is only ketchup.
Okay.
And then, yeah, I'm just missing the Grinch meal, only ketchup.
So you're missing one meal.
One meal and one
So
Coke.
I only have you charged for a Big Mac meal with the Grinch meal and then one McChicken.
Yeah,
So I can ring up another Big Mac meal, or is it this one wrong?
this is the Big Mac meal, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you want another Big Mac? Only ketchup?
That the Grinch meal. You punched the Grinch meal, right?
Yeah.
Where's the Grinch meal, only ketchup?
So you want another Grinch meal? Or I can... I'll go back to one really quick and I'll help you with this one.
Yeah.
Okay?
Whew! You're just wasting my time. I ordered Big Mac meal. That's correct. I'm missing Coke. I ordered Grinch meal, only ketchup. That's I miss, and I ordered this one. This is correct.
No, which one you ordered only ketchup?
The Grinch meal, Big Mac, only ketchup.
So you don't need the Mac sauce because Big Mac doesn't come with the ketchup and everything.
I ordered the Grinch meal, only ketchup. Big Mac meal, only ketchup.
So you just need a ketchup on the Big
Yeah,
Mac, right? Not
yeah.
the Mac sauce, nothing.
No,
like that.
no, no.
Okay, then you got the regular one.
I get the regular
Can you
one.
get the back then?
Huh?
I'll make you the new one.
I ordered this one. You did not punch this one?
This is what all punched out.
Oh, your guys are okay. Punch this one, the Big Mac meal.
You need regular Big Mac now?
I already have the Big Mac meal regular. I already
Big
have the.
Mac only ketchup, right?
Give me the Grinch meal, only ketchup,
Okay.
and the
Coke
and the
with
fries and the Coke. Yeah. How much is that? Give me the receipt, please.
Is there receipts? Both of them?
And
There's
the,
a Coke,
uh,
and you have to go to next window for that.
and also the fries, right? That's including with the price.
The Grinch meal comes with it.
Woo! Itong mga taong ito. There you go, babe. There you go.
That only has 6 more minutes.
That's okay. It's rush hour now. Really?
Yeah.
What's the difference? What's the difference? It's the same thing.
It tastes better.
told you 6:02. Yeah, it's already 6:02. Look.
But we're not at the building yet.
Well, before it will turn to 6:03, we already parked.
Yeah, we got here at 6.
It's slippery, bro. Yeah. See? 6:02 before turning. Before it will turn to 6:03, we'll be there. We're here. So we arrive at 6:02, right?
Yeah.
Am I correct?
Yeah.
Told you, bro. Here, oh, see? 6:02. We're gonna wait, Mama.
He's
Here.
not here yet.
We're gonna wait. Hey, guys.
Pipick upin pa tayo. Suma namin ni Des.
Bakit?
Doon sa ano. Alam mo yung papunta kay na Ate Janice? Diyan sa may Inkster. Sa may school. Gaganon tayo.
Ano
Sa may
pipick-upin?
Suman. Dadahin ko bukas dito ang kay Des. Kukunin ni paring Chris. Nandito ang pam... Ha?
No?
Maya. Nakain pa tayo eh. Hi baby, are ang pambayad. Saan kayo? Are.
Para sa inyo.
Sa atin ang isa, sa kanya ang...
Anong address? And Ate Janice is church, Boros, right?
Hindi. Diyan sa may Inkster ang daan. Ang address ay Suman. 54 Garden Grove.
Ang kina-atipin.
Hindi. Garden Grove. Doon nga sa may... Oh, yan lang oh. Doon tayo dadaan sa papunta kay na Ate Janice. Di ba may school yon? Tapos gaganon tayo. You know, King Edward. Tapos gaganon.
Kaliwa.
Ang kay na Ate Janice ay diretso, di ba? Oo, yun ay...
Pinakalas na bahay.
Oo, yun ay doon sa... Ay, bibing ko. Naku, nahingi si ata ng McDo. Paano yun?
Ito na, that's yours.
Pahingi daw ng McDo, sabi ni ata.
Mamaya na.
Dad, but don't go to the one we went earlier. Go to the one at McPhillips.
Yeah. Sure. I know you're hungry.
Yeah. Naku po, nandun ang aking ano.
Turn right onto Raleigh Street.
sanitize eh.
That's okay.
Buti sumama si Bebe.
Nasama ko eh. Wala akong kasama.
Kaya nga. I-off mo na, my dear.
In 600 meters, turn right onto Monroe
Thank you sa
Avenue.
McDo.
Puro tayo naka reflector vest. Reflectorize.
Anong McDo? Just only nuggets?
As uwa.
Nugget meal? How about uwa? McDouble meal at saka nugget meal? Okay.
Nugget
Okay.
meal.
Oh no. I-message mo nga. Okay.
Message kasi hindi matandaan. Nugget meal.
Hindi eh. Ang dami eh. May
Ay.
additional pa.
Oo.
Ba yan?
Nuggets meal.
McDouble meal, nugget
So ito guys,
meal,
pangalawang McDonald's
plus
ito.
dalawang large fries.
Ah!
Yeah.
Franchise.
Nagutom.
Franchise na naganda ng McDo. Hindi, parang hindi kumain yan eh.
Kaya. Nagutom.
Ito ay pangalawang McDonald's na namin na actually. Ayan.
Nag-message si Ata. $10 pa. Grabe si
Ah.
Ata.
$10?
Ito, basahin mo na lang.
Parang malaki-laki ang snow tomorrow.
Yeah.
Mamayang gabi. No?
18 times 72 ang araw. 172.
Hi there, are you collecting points?
No, I'm not gonna collect points.
What can you get for
Can I have a 10-piece McNuggets meal?
what's the drink?
Medium Coke.
10-piece meal
Yeah, 10-piece McNuggets meal.
with a medium Coke, okay?
Sweet and sour sauce and additional large fries.
Additional large fry.
Oh, no, can you make it a large fries for this one?
Okay.
And McDouble meal only ketchup.
Only ketchup, medium fry, medium drink.
Large fries on McDouble meal.
it's a McDouble meal with only
Ketchup, yeah.
medium fry.
Large fries. And the drink is medium mango pineapple smoothie.
Medium mango, okay?
And yeah, you got already the 10 piece?
I got the 10-piece meal.
No. You got already the 10 piece, right?
Yes.
10
Another 10-piece or just a meal?
No, that's good. 10 piece McNuggets meal and then one double McDouble, only ketchup, large fries. Okay, that's everything.
Next window, please.
Okay.
It's $27.90. Thank you.
Welcome.
Hindi yata pwede na.
Ayun, oh.
Baka may sasakyan.
Last Christmas. So guys,
Yun pa.
ano pa?
Yun na.
Ito?
Pwede mo pa ba?
Ano ba? Yan, meron pa.
Ay, ang megas ni Baby.
Okay, almost there. So paano? Ano ang inyong
Plan for New Year.
No, I mean itong video ngayon, malinaw ba siya sa inyo? Hindi siya katulad ng GoPro na style na medyo madilim? Ito maliwanag. I know it's maliwanag. Hindi mo siya kailangan ng ilaw eh. Yeah. So let me know in the comments guys itong resolution ng Action 4 na DJI. Okay na? Wala na? Pasok mo na?
Lamig.
Thank you. Check mo nga. Check mo muna bago tayo alis pa kung dito pabalik-balik.
Dalawa.
Large price, 10 piece.
Okay. I'm good.
So guys, nandito lang kami sa bahay. So ako naman ngayon daw ang magluluto.
Ha?
Yeah, magluluto daw ako.
Wala akong yung ulam. Sila ang ano eh. Ama choices. Pinagpares na kanilang...
Pinagpala.
Siya ba yung nag-run away? Hindi. Iba yun. Ibang choice yun. Hindi yung princess yung nag-run away. Pwede English ano?
Ano yun? Korean novela na naman? Ayan.
Yaan mo na may ay! Nakaano pala yun? Bakit 4K 60?
What? Hindi ko pa nga alam yung mga settings eh.
Wow, galing naman niya. Ang galing nga niya mag-search kanina eh. Wow, sarap. Sirloin, oh. Boy, yung ano, yung steak, ibaba ko na tomorrow. Ay? Innovative naman niya. Hindi nagigets ng mga tao kung anong ginagawa.
Ay, ano, hiwain ko pa to? Ha? This is too big, isn't it? Lago na yan. Ay, siya na naman. Magaling pa ako. Ito. Ito.
Ayaw mo niyan. Ba? Naghanap sila ng ano ni Your
Ito,
Majesty.
hindi stick ito.
Naghanap sila ng asawa ni Your Majesty. Wow. Ang dami ng odd. Proper ano eh. So vide. Magaling tong actor. Lagi akong takot sa kanila. Ano yan?
Pag nagluluto ako, walang tikim-tikim.
Ano yan? Adobo na naman.
Yun ang surprise na lasa. Kaya yung aking luto, hindi pwede ipakain sa iba. Para lang sa aking pamilya, para pag hindi na nagustuhan, edi. Pero masarap yan. May halong pagmamahal. Gusto mo may sabaw o dry?
May sabaw.
May sabaw. Sarap yan. Magaling yung panlasa ko. Walang tikip-tikip.
Oh, sige.
Yeah. Kung ba alam natin, cook ako sa Hopstart. Hopstart.
Half-star. Sabi mo naman nag-5 star. Hindi 5-star, half-star.
Half-star lang.
Hindi 1-star. 0.5 lang.
Hopstart, ibig sabihin. Bahay lang.
Half lang.
Bahay lang. Shift. 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 Kaya walang tikip-tikip mga choy. Surprise. Wag. Okay na yan. Gusto mo dagdagan pa tubig o? Hindi, sisilipin niya to eh. Naprito ko na yan. So yung adobo ko, piniprito ko muna. Then, tsaka ko ihalo yung sibuyas, tsaka bawang. Then,
Ano
saan ko
ginamit
yung
mong mantika?
mantika.
Ano
Yung
dyan?
olive. Tikman mo nga, anong lasa? Tikman mo na, baka bukas ng umaga, hindi mo, bukas ng tanghali, hindi mo makain eh. Sabaw lang. O, sige.
Kaya ako.
Sige. Ha?
The best.
Ah, kalokohan. Hindi nga. Tingnan mo nga.
Kulang na lang ay kanin.
Sige nga.
Tama na, naku naiga na.
Ay,
Nagtagal
gano'n.
ko ng konting sabon.
Sige. Tikman mo yung ano. Sarap? Okay. Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Diba sabi ko sa inyo. Walang tikim-tikim. Tignan ko ng sabaw sa kunti.
Punta.
Mawawala na yung lasa niya.
Hindi. Tama yun.
Kasi may tubig na. Jay, okay na nga ang sabaw? Ha?
The best.
Sure ka ha? Baka sabi mo lang yan dahil nakaharap ka sa camera.
The best. Magluto si Pinoy Tracker.
So paano yan guys? Totoo yun, sinabi niya. Anyway, tapos na ako dito. Tapos hugas na naman. Platon, then I'm all done. So paano? Bibitawan ko na kayo.
Okay, kakain na.
Kakain na rin siya. May kanin na ba?
May kanin pa.
Oh, yun. Pwede may kanin. So, I'll see you guys on my next video. Pagkambing mo tanan. Malapit na yung New Year.